Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we share with you a natural remedy to keep your body healthy. First, we need to prepare some clove sap. Food therapy is a method of using the nutrients in food to regulate the body and prevent disease. Beat the prepared cloves into powder. Clove can dilate blood vessels and promote blood circulation. It is an auxiliary treatment for heart disease, hypertension, and coronary heart disease. Clove is rich in antioxidant substances. It can scavenge free radicals and achieve anti-aging and anti-cancer effects. You will need 1 teaspoon of ground cloves at a time. Then prepare the juice of half a lemon. Lemon is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C and other nutrients. These components have strong antioxidant properties and can effectively scavenge free radicals in the body and reduce cellular oxidative stress. This prevents many diseases, including cancer. Finally, you need to add the right amount of honey. Don't add honey if your blood sugar is high. Regular consumption of honey can improve the body's immune system and prevent many diseases. Add the right amount of room temperature water. Cover with a lid. Wait 20 minutes. Stir well. Many of the nutrients in food are beneficial in strengthening the immune system and protect the body from infections. Strain out the soup. Clove also has analgesic, pain-relieving, and anti-inflammatory effects. It is effective in relieving headache, toothache, muscle pain, rheumatic pain, etc. Take 1 hour before bedtime every night. Please know all contraindications before taking. Our channel regularly posts videos about healthy lifestyles. If you are interested in this approach, then please subscribe to our channel and like and comment on this video and let more people know about this healthy lifestyle.